Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to the next topic of Golang for beginners, which is Go comments. So what exactly comment is? Comment is a text that is ignored upon the execution. Comments are very useful because comments can be used to explain your code and make it more readable. So in Go, there are two type of commits. First is single line commits and another is multi-line commits. So how can we create a commits? Let's start with single line commit. So single line commits basically starts with two forward slashes. For example, this is the commit and I will say this is single line commit. Okay. So whatever the text after these two forward slashes will be ignored during the execution. So compiler will ignore all this text, right? Now you can write the comments anywhere in your Go file. For example, you can write comment here as well. So let's say I will just simply copy this and I will paste it here. So this is also the right way to create the comment. You can also create the comment here as well. Now here this code will be executed. However, after this code will be commented. So this is ignored by the compiler, right? So this is the single line comment. Now next is multi-line comment. So multi-line comment is basically starts with this. So forward slash star and star forward slash. So whatever written inside this two will be completely ignored by the compiler. Plus one more thing is, as what name says, it is a multi-line comment. So you can write multiple lines between this. So for example, this program will print hello world. And I will go on another line and I will say happy programming, right? So this is basically a multi-line comment. So comments are not only used to explain the code, but you can also avoid particular block of code during the execution. So for example, let's say I also have one more println statement, let's say fmt. I will just simply copy this and I will paste it over here and I will say this line will be ignored by compiler. Okay. Now let's say if you don't want to execute this line, you can simply comment it out. Okay. So this way compiler will anyway ignore this complete line. Now if you see, multi-line comments can be used to ignore a complete code block as well, or even a function as well. So you can simply comment it using multi-line comments and you can stop that particular block during the execution. So I hope you understand the concept of Go comments, which are very much similar in other programming languages as well. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.